Roofing contractors, please check out this system that books roofing inspections for you 24/7 without you lifting a finger.
Hello, thank you for calling Tampa Roof Repairs. How can I help you with your roof today?
Hi, I need someone to look at my roof. I think I have a storm damage.
I'm sorry to hear that. Storm damage is very common in this area. We can definitely help. Is this for a residential home or a commercial property? And do you know what type of roof you have? Shingle, tile, metal, or flat?
Yeah, I think it's shingles and it's a private house.
Thank you for letting me know. Has the damage caused any leaks or water coming inside, or is it mostly visible damage to the shingles? And when did
Yeah,
you first notice the issue?
yeah, I think there's some seepage coming in. So I want someone to come in probably tomorrow to take a look at it.
Thank you for sharing that. Since you're seeing seepage, it's important to have it checked soon. Unfortunately, today is fully booked. However, I do have availability starting tomorrow. May I get the address of the property where the roofing issue is happening? I'll also need your name and the best phone number to reach you so we can schedule your inspection for tomorrow.
Sure. I'm at 125 Tampa Road and the zip code is 32909.
Thank you.
Okay.
May I have your
Uh,
full name and the best phone number to reach you? Once I have that, I'll check our available times for your inspection tomorrow.
All right. Do you also help with insurance claims?
Yes, we regularly help homeowners with insurance, roof inspections, and storm damage claims. Our roofing specialist can inspect the damage and provide documentation for your insurance company. Could I please get your full name and phone number so I can finish setting up your inspection for tomorrow?
Sure. Is Jimmy Shergill, phone number 615-555-1212.
Thank you, Jimmy. Just to confirm, your phone number is 615-555-1212, and the address is 125 Kemper Road, zip code 32909. Let me check our available times for tomorrow. Do you prefer a morning or afternoon appointment?
Yeah, let's do it the afternoon, 1 p.m. maybe.
We have afternoon slots available tomorrow at 12 p.m., 12:30 p.m., 5 p.m., and 5:30 p.m. Would you like to book the 12:30 p.m. slot, or would one of the later times work for you?
Yeah, 12:30 will be fine.
Great, Jimmy. Your roof inspection is scheduled for tomorrow, April 29th at 12:30 p.m. A roofing specialist from Tampa Roof Repairs will contact you shortly to confirm and help with your insurance claim. Thank you for calling Tampa Roof Repairs. We look forward to helping you with your roof. Have a great day.
Thank you.